All right, welcome to week 3 in web development and databases. We're doing a very exciting project this week using a Python program utilizing the Flask library. And what that Flask library allows us to do is send important information in the form of Python code, but send that information to a server that we can then use the URL to locally check everything we need and do everything we need. And what our program today is designed to do is a continuation of our ebook download, and not only will it download our ebook, but it will also have the same ability of playing that ebook in an audio file. So you get an audiobook on top of it. So instead of bore ourselves with code, let's get into the application itself. Now, when we run our Python code, Flask gives us a local URL to click on. If we hold the control button and left mouse click on that link, it will launch us into our browser. And I'm going to get some points taken off this week because I did not have time to get into a lot of styling at all. Styling, unfortunately, was not one of my highest priorities. I did struggle a little bit with the audiobook aspect, but did get it figured out, and I am glad to show it off. So we do have a very basic website. It is our novels and nostalgia bookstore, and we have our 5 ebooks that we had from our previous assignment. And if we want to, we can click on the link. We'll click on our first link for the crash of Flight 273, and it brings us to a page where we can download the story. So it's like, now we have downloaded that story, and if we wanted to, we could read our book that we just downloaded. That's kind of plebeian. We are cool. We have ebooks, and we have AI. So if we go to the link for the ebook, we can simply download the MP3 file for that ebook. So I don't know if we read any of Plane Crash Flight 273 before, but
Flight 273 was en route from New York to Paris when it encountered a fierce thunderstorm. Despite Captain Elena Martinez and co-pilot,
we can listen to it. And just like all of the books we have listed, we could download them as shown, or we could download the ebook version.
in a distant galaxy far beyond the reaches of human exploration, nestled on the vibrant planet.
Pretty cool. Let's just make sure all of the links are working here. Good. Got the audio, or text file for the 5th book, Mars, The New Dawn. And our ebook for Mars, The New Dawn. Let's see what that sounds like.
In the year 2075, humanity established its first thriving colony on Mars. Named New Dawn, the settlers A diverse group of scientists, engineers.
All right, that's cool. AI is cool. Being able to link a Python program and have it display in front of us a web page. Now, obviously, I could go in and do some styling, add a background, image, style this to make it look much more appealing. But again, my focus was more on the code this week. May get into trying to tackle some of the styling tomorrow or on Monday. But as of right now, I am very pleased with the outcome of this. It is a neat program to run. It's a neat program to show off to friends and family. And I hope everybody enjoys